And we're going to go here now. And this one is a little tough for me on a personal level. Los Angeles area officials declare emergency after confirming 6 new coronavirus cases over 48 hours. Los Angeles area officials have discovered 6 new coronavirus cases in the county over the last 48 hours. The new cases in Los Angeles County bring the state's total to 35, more than any other state. In Washington State, where at least 9 people have died, there are at least 27 cases. Did I mention I'm getting married this weekend in Southern California? I got a wedding this weekend. Yeah, this is a bummer on many levels, of course. But and of course, I wish good health to everybody involved, and I wish the best for everyone involved. But on a personal level, this is concerning. This is pretty concerning. And of course, me and my fiance are going to have a discussion when she gets home later. Los Angeles area officials have discovered 6 new cases and prompting them to declare local emergency. Catherine Barger, chairwoman of the Los Angeles County Board of Supervisors, told reporters Wednesday that she just signed a proclamation declaring a local emergency. I want to reiterate that this is not a response rooted in panic. This is a response rooted in caution. I think she said that at some point. I'm not seeing it in the article now, but County Supervisor Hinda L. Solis said the proclamation allows local officials to further draw down resources from both the federal and state level of government. Health officials for the city of Pasadena, that's where I live, and the city of Long Beach said they too plan to declare local emergencies later Wednesday. This is a weird time for me to announce. I invited everybody. The new cases in Los Angeles County bring the state's total to 35, more than any other state, according to the Centers for Disease and Control and Prevention. In Washington State, where at least 9 people have died, there are at least 27 cases. Dr. Barbara Furr, director of the County of Los Angeles Public Health Department, said the county needs to prepare for more cases, adding that all 6 new cases are linked to an assumed known exposure. So allegedly, they were all linked to travels to northern Italy. Apparently, it was people coming from northern Italy. That's what all the cases have in common. Which a friend of mine lives in northern Italy, and I hope he's okay. I'm going to message him after this. But he is unable to attend the wedding. Actually, he RSVP'd, said he couldn't attend a while ago. It's just too heavy of a trip for him, and he just relocated back to Italy recently. I hope him and his family are okay. I'll be checking in with him soon, but he will not be attending the wedding. So, now we're in a state of emergency. Now, San Francisco has been in a state of emergency for a while. They are still going on with their lives. I mean, honestly, the best thing you can do is just prepare. Just, take preemptive caution, wash your hands, sanitize your hands. Don't touch a bunch of food and then put it back like Mike Bloomberg. I'm really glad Mike Bloomberg isn't invited to my freaking wedding. A, because it'd be a little awkward. Because I'd be like, you're a horrible human being. Why are you at my wedding? And B, because he would touch all the food and then put it back. We don't have a buffet-style wedding. But if we did, Bloomberg would be Grossy McGrosserson. You guys probably saw that video from earlier. And that'd be horrible. But, yeah. So, you know what? So that's going on. We've reached state of emergency. And allegedly, California, it's not allegedly. It looks like it's been confirmed. California also announces that we have the first coronavirus death, bringing the fatalities in the U.S. to at least 11. They haven't announced the patient's name, but it looks like the first person here. I'll show you. This is a breaking thing here. I'll read it to you. Local health officials in California announced the state's first coronavirus death, bringing U.S. fatalities to at least 11. We extend our deepest condolences to the loved ones of this patient, says the Placer County Health Officer, Dr. Amy Sisson. While we have expected more cases, this death is an unfortunate milestone in our efforts to fight this disease and one that we never want to see. All right. Whew. So all we can do is just do our best. I mean, they don't have a vaccine yet. And from everything I've seen, it looks like that's at least a year away. If we get one, it's at least a year away. So all you can do is just do your best to prevent. Maybe do a nod instead of a hug or a handshake. Maybe me and my fiance, actually, we decided we're not going to kiss. We're gonna do Eskimo kisses where we blink our eyes. That's how we're gonna say I do, just to be safe. Just to be safe, we're gonna do Eskimo kisses. We might get her a mask that matches her dress. Hand sanitizer. Someone recommended in the chat hand sanitizer, wedding gifts. There you go. There you go. So there you go. That's what's going on.
Get your news on with Ron. Don't you wanna know what's going on? We're getting our news on today. Get your news on with Ron. Don't you wanna know what's going on? We're getting our news on today. You can tweet me an article at Ron Placone. We'll go through it together and make it our own. Get your